I got some good songs playing right now. Just kidding, it's not how I dance. So, Gretchen. I don't know really what to say here, but, we just started talking because you randomly added me out of nowhere. I think I cleared your profile once or twice, maybe. I'm really bored, as you can clearly see here. I'm making a new video because you asked me to, and this is my cool hat. Look, it's got me and Allie's initials on it, which I didn't realize until later on in life. And you messaged me and said, "Hi, Joey," but as we were already talking, confused me. I'm out. But you owe me Laffy Taffy. Banana. I don't like banana. Bored. Just kidding. Sounds way too big for my head. Just kidding. Joe. You're so weird. You're definitely not the normal girl. I should change that to the weird ass one. Just kidding, that's me. But, alright, since you're rushing me here, I'm going to end it. Just kidding.